Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 5th February 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing just 1.5 points up move at the level of 10,949.5. US markets have done pretty great for itself yesterday. DowJones up by 175 points, Nasdaq up by 83 points and S&P up by 18.34 points. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets to open in green to flat in today's pre-open session. Yesterday, Indian markets have done pretty okay for itself. It fell all the way to the bottom and it took support at the level of 50-day moving average at the level of 10,795 levels and then rose upwards to the level of 10,900 and above. So yesterday the market has given a great signal that 10,880 is a great support for the market, and the market, if it goes downwards as well, this 10,880 will be held for some time. So that's what Indian markets is offering in return in technical analysis. And let's see what are the supports and resistances for today. The first support is of course 10,880, which is a very strong support, which is the 50-day retracement in the Fibonacci retracement, and below that the first level of support comes at 10,846 levels, which is the 200-day moving average. Below that 10,817 levels, which is the 10-day moving average. That's a very strong support for the market, and if that is barred, then 10,800 of course is a psychological support, and if that is barred, then 10,795, which is the 50-day moving average, is a strong support. If that is barred as well, 10,750, 10,707 and 10,672 are the levels of support we have to watch out for in the session of today and further sessions as well. If we have to look at the resistances, the first resistance lays at 10,926 levels, and above that 10,950, 10,000, 11,000, 11,071 and 11,087, 11,171 levels are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for. MACD is denoting that it is in positive and there is not much of gap in between the MACD and the exponential. That denotes that there is not very huge momentum in the market. However, it is positive and it shows a market movement upwards. Fast stochastic is at the level of 73 and slow stochastic also is at the level of 73, which denotes that there is a possibility that we may go much higher from here onwards, because we are not in a overbought zone yet. Let's hope the market does great. If the market goes upwards or downwards, options traders will make money. That's because of technical analysis. This is the technical knowledge for today, guys. The technical analysis part, which I have been talking in this video, I will be teaching it on Saturday and Sunday in a 2-day workshop, which gives you a great knowledge about 3 technical analysis strategies which makes you money on a daily basis, not weekly, not monthly. It is daily. You will make income where you will take home a salary kind of income. This is happening on Saturday and Sunday, that is in the Nifty Intraday Options Trading course. So click on the first link in the description below for the information about this. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.